Let's make overnight cold brew. For this, we need lots of coffee. So I'm going to make enough for 2 cups, which requires 50 grams of coffee. And to that, I'm going to add 500 mils of cold water. Then just give this a little stir to make sure all the coffee grounds are wet. And it's as simple as putting this in the fridge overnight for 12 hours. So once your cold brew has been in the fridge for 12 hours, you can take it out, be nice and cold, and your grounds are still in there. So the best thing to do is you just give it a little stir, and then we're going to pour it through a filter paper. That way we've got a really nice, smooth, clean coffee, and we've got rid of all the coffee grounds. Now this might take a little while, but it's well worth the wait, because this long black cold brew coffee is really the best method, in my opinion, for making a really great cold brew. Great, so that's all filtered through now. So I'm just going to get rid of all my grounds. And in here we've got our cold brew. Now you might have noticed that we used quite a different ratio of coffee to water. So we used 50 grams of coffee to 500 mils of water, which is quite strong. So the best thing to do at this point is give it a taste. If you like your coffee a little bit milder, you could just add some cold water straight into this. But if you like it nice and strong, this is good to go. So finally, all we've got to do is pour it over our ice. We've got a really delicious, delicate, balanced overnight cold brew. This is great just as it is, but if you like to add milk, you can go ahead and add that. And if you like it a little bit sweeter, some sugar or some syrups would be great too. There we go. Cheers.